C6M rebuild! Next already! 3314! That is my 9th already! How about that? Ha-ha! Not getting no better than that! Q198! Civic 527302. How about that? Another C6M rebuild captured. Amazing. So that'll do it for the Q19851. As we'll head inbound to Markham Yard in Homewood, Illinois after starting the journey at Fairview Yard in Prince Rupert, British Columbia, Canada. That'll do it for this video here at Ladysmith, including the 3871 and my next and 9th C6M rebuild of the 3314. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time, and I'll see you down the main line. Tyler Hayes out.